Good morning. The name of the topic is motion. Describing motion. Motion is the change in position of a body with time. Motion can be described in terms of distance moved or displacement. Distance moved is the actual length of the path traveled by a body. Displacement is the length of the shortest path traveled by a body from initial position to its final position. Scalar quantity. It is a physical quantity, can be completely described only by its magnitude. Then it is a scalar quantity. To measure the mass of an object, we only have to know how much matter is present in the object. Therefore, mass of an object is physical quantity. That only requires magnitude to be expressed. Therefore, you say that the mass is a scalar quantity. Vector quantity. There are some physical quantity that cannot be completely described only by their magnitude. This physical quantity required direction along with magnitude. For example, if you consider force, then along with the magnitude of the force, we also have to know the direction along which the force is applied. Therefore, the description of a force we require both in magnitude and direction. This type of physical quantity is called vector quantity. Examples of motion. The average speed of bullet train is 320 km/h. A car is in motion. Motion of ball downward. Uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, if a body travels equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to be in uniform motion. Non-uniform motion, if a body travels unequal distance in an equal interval of time, it is said to be in non-uniform motion. Example, the movement of clock hand and movement of pendulum is the example of uniform motion. A movement of a story and bouncing of a ball is example of non-uniform motion. Speed of a body is the distance traveled by body in unit time. Speed is equal to distance by time. If a body travel a distance s in time t, then its speed v is equal to s by t. The SI unit of speed is meter per second as or ms minus 1. Since speed has only magnitude, it is a scalar quantity. The red car is at the speed of 30 meter per second and the grey car is at the speed of 40 meter per second. Average speed. Average speed is the ratio of the total distance traveled to the total time taken. Average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. Velocity, the quantity which specifies both the direction of motion and speed is velocity. Velocity of a body is the displacement of the body per unit time. Velocity is equal to displacement into time taken. Since velocity has both magnitude and direction, it is a vector quantity. Average velocity. It is the ratio of the total displacement to the total time taken. Average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. Average velocity, the mean of the initial velocity u and the final velocity v. Average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity or u plus v by 2. Acceleration. The quantity which specifies change in velocity is acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Acceleration, final velocity minus initial velocity. If the velocity of a body change from initial to final value v, in time t, then acceleration e, then acceleration a. Next day I will teach you deviation of three formula of motion. Thank you.